It won't be
in 20 years. I worry about if I want to go to a sports bar, it's now this. It's now Tapa style small plates that involve like certain weird parts of potatoes.
It's not going to work. Let it fail. Let it try and fail. But for the next season, you get to have your own sports bar back.
Megan.
But that sports bar doesn't have to put arugula on the menu.
Yeah, exactly. Megan, are you interested in a date with our producer?
I'm engaged, boys. I'm sorry. But we're having a burgundy and gold wedding. No joke.
That's awesome. Where are you doing?
Yep.
Are you doing it at a sports bar?
Oh, God, I wish.
Can we come to your wedding? Can we come to your wedding?
I wanted it at FedEx, to tell you the truth. Get the little club level going. You can do it on the 50-yard line. I mean, boys, I'm driving around right now in a car that's got skins plates that have Hate Texas.
Good for you, Megan.
We don't mess around.
Why don't you send us a pic of those?
I will. I'll put it up on your old page.
Please do.
Put it up on Facebook page. And would you like to invite us to the wedding? Because I got nothing doing.
Hey, you know what, guys? You could make the cut.
Okay, cool. I'll see you.
All right. See you guys.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Megan.
Megan.
She'll throw it up there and I'll track her down. I'm going to her wedding.
I like that call.
Because she's a real woman. Not one of these witty, irreverent charm women.
I mean, I hate this guy. I've never met him. I've never seen him other than his stupid Twitter profile, which I'm not giving out.
Yeah.
I hate this guy.
I'll just say this. Oh, by the way, Sarah